And the producer. Let's party, party, party all day and all night. Got my girl on my left and my girl on my right. Got my high heels on, so you know I'm looking fly. Every time I hit the spot, everybody getting live. Like, we gon' do it up, yeah. We gon' do it up, yeah. We gon' do it up, yeah.
So we made it to Amber Cove in Dominican Republic. It is really pretty out here. Super pretty. Look at the mountains. So we're just walking down the gangway, the bridge to Amber Cove, and then we're gonna see what it's all about. My first time here, so we're gonna explore a little bit. Alright, see y'all in a minute. So they have a water slide, they have a pool area, they have a like bar lounge over there. They have zip lining. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, no, you're fine. Ooh, bugs. Anyway, so yeah, pretty cool. Mariah's putting on her bathing suit. She wants to ride the water slide. And I second that because it's really hot. But it's pretty cool out here at Amber Cove. It's more just like a resort area. That's what it looks like. We're not really actually on the main land or anything, but it's cool. It's like a little resort area with pools, restaurants, water slides, zip lining, little activities for everybody. So awesome. So we'll see what else we can get into. Get back to y'all in a minute. So this is another area of Amber Park. Amber Cove. I guess it's just like a little area where shops are. You do shopping, photos. Ship is right there.
Start with this one, walk our way around. Making circles.
Yeah, so that's pretty much it. It's really pretty out here in Amber Cove. I had a good time. The pool was fun. They do have excursions you could do. They had zip lining. They had other excursions as well. But we just chilled at the resort area, which was super fun as well. They had water slides and everything. So yeah. Why did you get your little bag? Anyway, so we're gonna head back to the ship for now, and I will see you guys on the ship. Hello all, it is Toya here, and this is the last day of the cruise, like literally. I know uh, I have been horrible with vlogging this trip. I ran out of camera space that I didn't know I didn't have, all types of stuff. Yeah, it's really the last night. It's like 12, and I'm pretty much going to be going to sleep soon, but I just wanted to come on and say thank you guys for watching for the little bit of what I did show. I promise the next time I cruise, it will be more informative. But nevertheless, I still had a great time and everything. Another quick thing, make sure you guys download the Hub app. And let me show you the Hub app. Carnival Hub app. So again, this is, what you guys, it gives you the list of things that's going on. Like right now, they have the DJ doing the mixes at the club. So I'll probably pop back in there and see what's happening. But as for now, we're headed back to Port Canaveral, which will be the end of an amazing trip, 5 days. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or concerns, or if you know just want me to talk about some things regarding the cruise or whatever, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe to this video. And for me and my daughter, who's still at the kids club, we are out, and we will see you guys in the next video.